Let's move on to the next example. Here, I want to show you both a real breakout and a fake breakout on one chart. We see an upward trend here consisting of 5 waves. These are examples you will see very often on the chart. The market is like this. You just need to be precise. Sometimes you might not be able to identify it correctly and mistake these trends, but if you pay a bit more attention and get familiar with the chart, you will see it exactly in this form. The market is very simple yet very complex. You need to be very good at identifying these trends. Here we consider an SNR. An upward trend has occurred, and here the trend changes direction, reacting to the SNR and goes down. Then it goes up again, forming a second touch point, then goes down again, forming a third touch point. As we can see, each time it becomes shorter and creates a higher low. Here we see it break this SNR with a strong upward trend and go up again. This point is very important. I have marked these areas and I will explain what each one is at the end of the video. Here again we see a reversal, going higher, forming a lower high, and then a strong downward trend. It breaks this SNR line again and goes down. We see another trend forming with several touch points, and then another breakout occurs. So what do we want to understand in this situation? First, as I mentioned, we need to identify the trend direction and which trend is stronger. Here we see an upward trend and again an upward trend, and if we consider this as a low, here a higher low has been created. Our highs are equal, our highs on the SNR are all equal. Here we have a low, a higher low, and again a higher low, which shows that our upward trend is strong. Therefore, this breakout is real. If we were in the market at this point and saw a candle breaking this level, we would expect our upward trend to continue and could have opened our trade. What happened during the reversal? Here we see a high formed and here a lower high formed. This indicates that the strength of our upward trend has ended here, it has weakened, and the strength of the downward trend is increasing. During the reversal, we see it has broken here, and this is also a real breakout because a lower high has formed and our trend is now becoming downward. Here another break has occurred. Again, we see what happened. A lower low has formed. We see a high here, a high here. And if we consider these two equal highs, we have a low, we have a lower low, and another lower low. Based on these consistently lower lows, what do we conclude, friends? You tell me. I can't hear you, but you tell me. Here, the strength of our downward trend has increased. Our highs are equal, but the lows keep getting lower, the bottoms are getting lower. So this is a strong downward trend. Now our direction has become downward. See, this becomes our downward trend. Therefore, we cannot expect a breakout here. This one becomes fake. This breakout is not real, and we see that the decline continues afterward. It's that simple, but it requires some attention. The patterns and examples I've shown you are very common on charts. You just need to get used to it, be a bit sharp-eyed, and be able to identify these trends. Understand where the highs and lows are. I've shown you 3 scenarios which you will often see on charts. Many traders make mistakes in such situations. Just because a break occurs doesn't mean it's a breakout, and we should open a buy trade immediately. We need to pay attention to the lower lows, the strength of the trend, and the direction of the trend. Based on the trend, we determine where the real breakouts and fake ones are. Here, our trend was upward. The main trend was upward with consistently higher lows, indicating a real breakout. Here, our trend turned downward. This breakout was real with consistently lower lows, so this next one is definitely fake. It's not real. Dear friends, to make sure you don't miss any of our videos, please subscribe to the BS Academy channel. Also, activate the notification bell so that you are informed as soon as we publish new videos. Thank you for your support.